Hey friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to meet up with my friend Johnny and we're going to head down to a frozen lake and drift around in his Subaru GC8. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's go. Hey friends, just buckled up in Johnny's GC8. Yes. It's a bit crowded in his garage, so we're going to do a walk around at Ghost Lake. It's more scenic there anyway. We got the Starbies, you know, give us energy. Gonna fill up and hit the road. That's it. Hey friends, Johnny and I just got here to Ghost Lake. We found a quiet part of track. I know I didn't show the car really clear earlier, but this is Johnny's. What is it?
It's my 2000 Impreza TS.
Oh yeah.
Canada market.
TS is the Canada market, that's right.
Yes. So pretty much this is just how it's been. Pretty stock. Just use it as a daily. It's my workhorse right now. But the only things I've pretty much done, JDM side markers, JDM gauges, STI seats, and that's all pretty much I've done too.
And the hood came stock, the TS, like with the hood scoop?
Oh
like
yeah,
that?
so this is 2.5 RS hood.
Right.
So it's the steel hood,
yeah,
not the aluminum.
Yeah.
I have an aluminum one.
You mean aluminium?
Aluminium, yeah. But yeah, stock this came with hood, no hood scoop, no vents, just flat hood. Yeah. But then I found this one locally, threw that guy on.
Nice.
Because it's a Subaru, you need to have the hood scoop.
That's true. These are JDM? Is that what you mean?
No, these are factory.
Oh yeah, yeah.
These are factory. But yeah, so.
Oh, you mean this?
Everything stock.
The side markers, you mean the?
These ones, sorry.
Oh yeah.
Corner markers.
Oh, the corner markers, right? Oh yeah, because
the USDM is half orange. So JDM's all clear. Yeah. Which is like the best looking right now.
Oh yeah, I agree. You got legacy wheels right now?
No, those are stock Impreza wheels.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 15 inches, so it's too small.
You got nitrogen in there?
Yeah,
nice. Here, let's go check out the back. Is there anything in the back here?
No, stock. 2.5 RS wing. Yeah. Debadged it. Right. I think it just looks the best at that.
So no one knows it's STI or not?
Yes. I think this exhaust is from a Bug-Eye or something. I know that stock it doesn't come with pin tip. So I think the previous owner might have put that in there. Nice. But yeah, that's pretty much everything as it is right now.
Oh, it looks really good, Johnny. Let's check out the interior. Yeah. So you got the STI seats. What version are these?
Yeah, version 4 STI seats.
Oh, nice.
Really nice. STI gauges. And oh yeah, I forgot, I got STI pedal set, but for automatic, because this is automatic for now. Automatic for now, because he's gonna get a manual swap eventually. I do have it, it's just the time to put it in.
That's true.
The time to put it in.
Yeah, because like, how much did you get this car for originally?
I bought this car for $1,300. Yeah, so about $1,300. So for an automatic GC for $1,300, you can't complain.
Oh yeah, I 100% agree. That's kind of the reason why. Like, if Johnny could choose, he would obviously get a manual, but those are so sought after, I bet. Yeah. That this was a good starting point.
They do definitely call a premium, but like an automatic one, you can get them pretty dirt cheap.
Exactly. Want to pop the hood? Could I pop the hood?
Oh yeah.
We'll look at the
really raggedy
the 22B engine. So what do we have working here, Johnny?
Nothing special. Phase 2 EJ222.
Okay, yeah.
It's like 120 horse.
Yeah. To all four wheels.
Nothing special.
Yeah.
Nothing I really touched, because at some point this will get swapped out at 2. So just using it for now. It is my daily, so I don't really need it. So.
And it's been good to you ever since, right?
It's good to me ever since. Beat on it every winter. Never had any issue. Because these single cam EJs are like indestructible.
Yeah, so that's a quick walk around of Johnny's car. Funny fact, I used to own a GC8, and Johnny's gonna do all the best bits of the GC8 build to get it OEM plus with some JDM goodies such as a version 5 bumper, version 5 spoiler, and spats and rear guards. It's gonna look really good, and I'll drop down his Instagram in the description, so do follow him because he's the smartest car enthusiast guy I know. He knows all the car things. He actually helped me keep my Subies running when I was in high school, so it's an honor to be filming his own Subie build and to ride along in his drift spec USDM or I guess Canadian spec.
Yeah, Canadian spec
GC8.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll film some POV driving, maybe some exterior shots. Just have a good day out here. Ghost Lake. Yeah.
Let's go.
After me on the ice track. It's not bad.
I try.
Hey friends, so we just wrapped up our ice drifting sesh here at Ghost Lake. It's super busy now. There are a bunch of fun cars driving around. A C43 just showed up, and yeah, before it gets too busy, we're gonna take off. But if you did like this video, please like and subscribe. Follow Johnny. I'll link his Instagram handle below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.
I think this will work. Just wait, I guess I'm just gonna put this water in here.
Sure.
Just to help my case a bit here. Oh, the snow's gonna mess you up good.
Come on, come on, come on.
Sorry. That's